Hello and welcome to this short video presentation about Operoute software. Operoute is designed to benefit the aerospace and turbine component manufacturing industry in better production order tracking, efficient inventory management, and a smoother product lifecycle management. Let's begin. In the world of manufacturing, efficiency and reliability are key. To succeed in today's competitive market, you need to be able to track your production orders, manage your supply chain, and optimize your processes for maximum efficiency. But how do you ensure that your products are being machined to specifications and that your operators are following the appropriate procedures and instructions? Well, that's where Operoute comes in, an ultimate solution for manufacturers who want to stay ahead of the competition. Operoute is a cloud-based, easy-to-learn, and low-cost software that allows you to keep track of your production orders and manage your product lifecycle from start to finish. With Operoute, you can manage your entire supply chain, from your suppliers to your delivery partners, and get real-time alerts and dashboards to see which part is going under what process. Operoute can help you track the entire life cycle of your products, and with special features like root cause analysis, done by quality inspectors, you can ensure that your components are manufactured following the appropriate procedures and instructions. In Operoute, all your orders are organized and approved, operations included, so that you can monitor your inventory levels and optimize the processes for maximum efficiency. Operoute can prove to be a game changer for aerospace and turbine component manufacturing businesses. When all the parts are ready, you can ship them with your packing list mapped to all compliant parts coming from your work orders. Your supply chain is more reliable, and your customers are happier. With Operoute, you will be able to reduce waste, improve quality control, and increase overall efficiency. With our production planning center, which gets data from your purchase orders and makes your planning process more agile and efficient, you can streamline your operations and take your business to the next level. Whether you're a small manufacturer or a global enterprise, Operoute can help you optimize your processes and stay ahead of the competition. Try Operoute today and see the difference for yourself.